All right, we're at this hotel in Rome, the Hotel Eden, I'm pretty sure it's called. Well, this is nice. This side? No. The other side. There's some parrots. 6. Who even knows what side it's going to be? Let's just see. That's neat. Oh. They were probably very confused. I literally just poked my head out and then went back in the elevator. There was 2 women out there standing at like a desk. 630 kilograms. Installed in 2017. I love the artwork in here. These are pretty elevators. Anyway, that will be it. Let's get the channels.